How to delete Botim account. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you a couple of steps for you to be able to successfully delete your Botim account. Now, as of 2026, which is going to be the newer version or the latest version of Botim application, account deletion is no longer available via your settings. So what you want to have to do is, yes, pull up your Botim application and make sure that you're logged in into the account that you would like or you would have deleted. At the top right, tap on your profile picture, and then from here, scroll all the way down and then choose on Contact Us. You will be redirected into a Botim AI, and then all you have to do is to type in account deletion or I want to delete my account. Now hit on send. And then the response that will be given out to you is actually a an email address that you need to send an email to for you to have your account be deleted. Just simply copy this highlighted email address here, use your Gmail or any email that you can use on your end, and then just simply type in there that you would like to have a request on account deletion. And that's it. That's the most convenient way for you to delete Botem account.